Hey everybody, today I am unboxing and going to be trying out my new Ninja Sip Perfect that I just got in the mail. The cool thing is with these, I ordered it directly from ninja.com. You can customize your colors. And as you can see, I picked pink. So, and that's all that was in the box. Super easy. And there's not much to it. It is the 16 ounce, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. And so I'm excited to see how well this Sip Perfect does, because who doesn't want to have just a normal cup of coffee without burning your lips off, you know? It's never fun when that happens. So this is probably the fastest unboxing. And it comes with your neat little use and care guide. And it's the perfect sip every time. Ninja Sip Perfect Travel Mug is a revolutionary drinkware solution designed specifically for hot beverages, allowing you to start sipping your favorite hot beverages sooner and enjoy them at the perfect temperature for longer. So, and then there's a little tidbit here. It says, for best results, fully fill your travel mug directly from your coffee maker or coffee carafe. Make sure to close the lid after each sip to minimize heat loss. And cool your travel mug down between refills. Rinse and refill with ice cold water and let it sit for 3 minutes and rinse again. Allow your travel mug to dry upright for at least 1 hour after washing. So, and you even can disassemble your lid completely. For the sake of the video, I'm going to try to do this while I am on here. And it does say, for step number 1, with the lid down, upside down, rotate the lock counterclockwise to unlock the rocker cap. Now, do I know counterclockwise? That is the question. And apparently I'm going to have to play with that a little bit because it doesn't want to do anything for me. So anyway, never mind that. Alright, I have cleaned out my cup. It is rinsed and ready to go here, just so we can all see. I do have some coffee. And here we go. I'm going to try not to spill it everywhere, as you all just saw that. And I'm going to fill it almost to the top there. And see about putting this lid on. Okay, now we all saw me put the lid on. So all you do is push the little button there, and we'll see if I don't burn my face off here. Sorry. Alright. That was really hot, just so you know. So I just finished that Sip Perfect from Ninja. I don't mind it. I just don't know if I would necessarily recommend it. It seems like it's just like any other travel mug that you can buy. So, I mean, otherwise, yeah, there's nothing really special to it other than the name. But that's just my personal opinion, so that's all I got.